As many of you know, I've long had an interest in 3D photography, VR, that sort of thing, and did some work with it over the years. And tomorrow I'm going to be posting a 3D video episode. It's a cooking episode, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it. It's an experiment. I don't expect 3D episodes to take off like wildfire, but I thought I would give it a try because I've been, dabbling around and playing with it the past couple of weeks. And so today I just want to talk to you a little bit about how I did it and how to view it and that sort of thing. So I built this device. It's a prototype that I adapted from a standard VR headset. So I took one of these standard VR headsets that you can get anywhere. I think I got this at Five Below a few years ago, and you open it up, you stick your smartphone inside, and this one's new. It haven't even peeled off the protective plastic. So anyway, I took off the front of it, and using foam core, I adapted it out because you can see if the surface of it is curved, and then I built this out of foam core. I don't know if you can see, but because I've painted it, but I laminated 4 layers of foam core, and made cutouts on the back to match the pair of smartphones and the oval foam core on the headset. So I have a pair of identical matched smartphones. I use these often for recording 2 different views in a video. So I've labeled them so that I know where they go. So the red goes on the red side for the right eye, and the blue goes on the left side for the left eye. And I can reach here and activate with my fingerprint, okay? And then I pull up the camera app, and you can see that I've got the left eye and right eye view, which is what gives you the depth perception and the 3D view. And then I can slip this into here and Velcro it on. Oh, I got that upside down. That's not going to work. Okay, and so now I have access to the buttons to turn the recording on and off, but I can put this on and wear it and see the 2 screens. Okay, so I can now see the 2 screens, and I'm seeing my studio in 3D. Okay. Let me just turn that on. And so this is what I'm seeing in my studio, okay? And you can see, well, I'm not gonna I'm not going to spend a lot of time with that because you don't have the headsets on. But it lets me get a live preview of the 3D as I'm recording. I can put this on my head and walk around. I haven't done a lot of that. That could give people motion sickness. I don't know. I'm just playing with this right now. But that's the basic idea of how I recorded that, tomorrow's episode, and then I have to take the two videos that I record, and I have to edit those together side by side to get the video that you would then view in your headset. So tomorrow you're going to want to pull up the video and do it full screen on your phone. Get a headset. It could be any inexpensive headset, even the Google Cardboard, which is literally made out of cardboard, and you can find those online. And you just center that in the headset and watch the video like that. So that's what I did. That's the basic idea of how it works. And like I said, this is an experiment, so I would appreciate feedback on what you think of the 3D cooking video, and what you think the best applications of this technology of 3D video would be for us to play with in the future. So that's today's episode. And if you want to make one of these, it's pretty simple. You do need two identical camera smartphones to do it, and that's and then some foam core, which is it's like 50 cents worth of foam core here, so it's not an expensive proposition if you already have a matched pair of phones. The other thing I did is I drilled holes through for the microphones so that they can pick up the sound from the front, and that could be edited together into stereo. It doesn't make any sense for tomorrow's video because there's no stereo sound information there, but that's basically how you do it. So I have a $5 headset, 50 cents worth of foam core, and I'm shooting 3D video.